I'm going to show you a way to start a crescent shawl with a miniature garter tab cast on that's going to avoid that little lump that you get at the start. This is where the initial cast on is right here, and once that first garter ridge is done, the stitches that you have on your needle are going to be in a U shape to continue out. You're going to need some type of locking stitch marker for this method. To start, make a slip knot in your yarn. This is what I call the sacrificial slip knot because it's not going to be worked, it's just going to come off. So I'm going to show you how to start a 3-stitch edging. I'm going to cast on 3 stitches with the backwards loop method. So you're going to want to make sure that the right leg is in front of the needle here because the next step will depend on that. So once you have those 3 cast on, just turn over, and this is where your locking marker comes in. You're going to take the marker and just put it through those 3 stitches that you cast on. You don't want to get that last stitch, which is that slip knot that you used. Once that's done, you can work 3 stitches through the back loop. And you can see that little marker is just going to hang there. Once you're at the end of that row, just slip this off. And that was only there to help keep the stitches on the needle. Turn over, and this is going to be a transition from this cast on to the full shawl. Knit 3 stitches through the back loop. And now turn the work 90 degrees clockwise. You're going to want to get a stitch right at the top of this garter ridge here. So the first thing you want to do is yarn over. I picked up that little loop right along the garter ridge. And now I'm going to knit it through the back loop. Okay, there's going to be another yarn over on this other side, but first I'm going to put these stitches up on my working needle. It can be a little bit fiddly, but it's worth it. If you drop one of these, don't worry, because these stitches will not unravel. It's just a way to mark where you want to pick up stitches. Okay, so that this one at the end here is a little loose. That's okay because we can tighten it up. Yarn over, and now knit 3 stitches through the back loop. So that one's that loose one, and I'm just going to tighten it up. Okay, so I now have all of the stitches on my needles. That's going to be the shawl. So this is my first wrong side row. I'm going to knit 3 stitches through the back loop, and that's going to continue all the way down the sides of the shawl because that's your edging. I'm going to my first yarn over here, and I'm going to purl 1, yarn over, and purl 1 into that first yarn over. And now I'm doing a stockinette middle of the shawl, so that next stitch is just going to be purled. And now I'm going to purl 1, yarn over, and purl 1 into the next yarn over, and then knit those 3 edge stitches through the back loop. So that is my first wrong side row. You can see what that looks like now. It looks like a little bit of a U. Okay, that was continental, and I'm going to show you English style. So I've already done the cast on here. I have my pin through here, and now I'm going to work my first row through the back loop here. Okay, and then we're just going to come to that little slip knot again. I'm going to pop that off my needle. I don't need that anymore. I'm going to turn this over. So I'm going to do the same thing. Just work these first 3 stitches through the back loop. Okay, and now I'm going to turn 90 degrees clockwise. I'm going to want to pick up a stitch right in the side of this garter ridge. So now that I've done that, I'm going to bring my yarn forward, and that is going to be my yarn over, and then I'm going to knit that stitch through the back loop. So here's my yarn over, here's my stitch that I knit into the side of the garter ridge. Going to make sure this knot is out, and I'm just going to put these stitches on my needle before I start the rest of it. Just like the other one. This is just like the continental version. Okay, now that I have those 3 stitches on my needle, I'm going to bring my working yarn forward to do my yarn over. And now I'm going to knit those 3 stitches on my left needle through the back loop. Can get a little tight there. And the last one is a little bit loose, but that's super easy to tighten up. Okay, I've got that tightened up. Now I'm going to do my first wrong side row. I'm going to knit 3 stitches through the back loop, and this is going to continue on down the entire side of the shawl, and that's going to be your edging for the shawl. Okay, now I'm going to bring my yarn forward and into this yarn over. I'm going to purl 1, yarn over, and then purl again. And that's making 3 stitches into that yarn over. The next one, I'm going to purl 1. That's the center of the shawl. Now I'm going to purl 1, yarn over, and then my second purl. Going to bring my yarn to the back now. And those 3 stitches at the end are going to be knit through the back loop. And that is the first wrong side row. You are now ready to continue on with the shawl.